intro. We just got this today.
We got this big Tonka truck. Wait, no, it's not Tonka. It's Brooder.
Look at the cement roll.
Yep, we're gonna go play in the sandbox. But first, what are we gonna do?
We're gonna show you some futures.
We're gonna roll it down.
Yeah, and show you some futures.
Features.
And look, kids, it has a funnel.
Yeah?
Yeah. And watch this.
Whoa! It pops open.
And watch this. This can even go up and down. Wow, wow, wow.
Wow, 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 wow.
And this crazy can also move too. Watch.
Wow.
Yeah, now you're going to roll it down.
All right, roll it down. That didn't work very well.
Yeah, is that fun, kids?
Yeah.
I can pick it up.
Okay, let's go to the sandbox.
Yeah. Hey guys, we got in the sand with our feet on.
Yep. We took off our shoes.
And we're gonna put it in.
Is that where we're gonna put it in? Is that where it goes? I think there's a way that it opens up, right?
No.
There's inside.
Definitely need to mix it, right?
Is that what we're gonna do? Mix it up?
Now mix, mix, mix. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it.
Oh, and then it comes out over here.
But watch this, kids. Mix it, mix it.
Does this thing go up?
Yeah. Mix it, mix it, mix it. See it?
So the kids can see why?
Mix it, mix it, mix it. Mix it, 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 mix it. See how mixy it is there?
Mm-hmm.
We're mixing it up.
Mixing it up.
Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. All around you.
Do the kids like it?
Guys, do you like the video?
Yeah!
But look at this panel. This goes up, 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 up.
Does that panel spin it?
Let's go in.
Yeah? Cement truck station? What do they do at the cement truck station?
They're gonna fix the engine.
The engine? gonna build lots of stuff, right? Yes.
You're building a house right now.
Wyatt's gonna build a house, and I'm gonna build a racetrack for all these race cars.
So right here?
Right there is gonna be a house.
Yeah.
Right there?
Yeah, toilet.
Oh, that's gonna be a toilet, apparently. Because Wyatt really likes building toilets. He should probably be a plumber when he grows up, right? Yeah. Okay. So to make a racetrack, we're gonna have to make bumpers and valleys. You know what a valley is, Wyatt?
No.
You have no idea what a valley is. When it goes down.
Ow.
I thought you knew what a valley was. Okay. It's going to go up. And look at Are you going to racetrack if I make a racetrack?
Well, making it a tour, I guess, if anybody needs to go somewhere.
If anyone needs to go potty, Wyatt's got a toilet right
Yeah.
Will you go get me some sticks when you're done with that, and then we can put the sticks around the racetrack?
Yeah, but I have to mix it.
So far I've got this little deep hill, and then it goes up into a big hill, and down, and I'm gonna go around.
Look at my mom's giant hill.
We got a giant hill, and our two race cars are gonna go race around. All right, you ready, Wyatt? You gotta race them. On your mark. Get set. Go. They have to drive, you silly. Or they can fly. That's cool too.
Oh no! Oh, fantastic! Oh, and 3 winning. Just got 3 winning. Oh, yeah, him was gonna win.
Yay, the yellow one won. All right, round 2. We got 2 other cars. Mommy's gonna do these ones. And then whoever's the winner of this race gets to race the winner of this other race, this yellow car. Ready? Set.
I'm making it deeper I made it deeper.
He fell. He's getting buried. Oh no. Whoa. All right, Wyatt, finish for him. Hooray!
Racing win. What?
Okay, now the yellow and the blue one are gonna race. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
You can't go down the hill because when you see this hill, you have to stop at the hill.
I'll just stop at the hill.
You can't go up the hill.
Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win, the blue or the yellow? They both crashed. Crashed cars. So let us know if you guys think the yellow or the blue one. Put in the comments, right?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
In the toilet.
Making a toilet again?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Kids.
Thanks for watching the Wyatt Show.
The Wyatt Show.
Yay!